Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk today about concrete floor leveling laser. So if you follow my channel, you saw how I'm using this 4D laser level. So why it's 4D? Because this laser have 1, 2, 3 right here, you see, and 4 laser transmitter lines. So that's why it's called 4D laser level. Why I'm using this laser for concrete leveling? Because we have this bottom transmitter, which is make a laser line. You see this line? It's exactly 6 millimeters from the ground floor. When you put it on the ground, it's 6 millimeters. Okay. Also, I want to represent you this little guy I just found. I think about it. So we need for leveling only one transmitter on the bottom if we're doing some little job. And company Huipar made it. This laser cost around $100, and here's only one transmitter. Line very low, like on this laser level, but it's really good too, because other laser levels, 4D laser levels, have a very high distance from the ground floor to the bottom transmitter. So this is not really good, because when you're looking for a high spot on the subfloor. So now I want to show you why it's good. I mean this one, and how to easy to use it, how to easy to find the high spot. In this 4D laser level, very important for us, this laser line and also shadow from this line. So two things. If you will understand the point what I'm going to explain you, for you next leveling will be so much easy. If you doing some DO project, small project, like I'm watching some guys try to do it in your house or your apartment, to do some small area for leveling, this is tool. It really will be helpful for you, how to find the lowest and highest spot, and how to easy to level these spots. So let's go. I want to show you some little trick how it's work. Here is a very small area. So first of all, you have to put your laser level any place in your room and turn it on. So laser level showed you around all your perimeter line, and this is the level of your room. You see, here is the higher, so this side is sloping down. There is the lower. You see this shadow. This shadow showed us this is the highest spot. And then when you move laser to another place, shadow here disappear, and here is left only little spot. Try to move it more, it's disappear more. You see the little bit left. Then we can move more. It's almost it disappear. In this case we have to move it little bit back, and little bit back. That's it. You see, now shadow exactly on the corner. It means this we found the highest spot, from which spot we have to start to do leveling. When you find this laser level high spot, you have two ways. First way, you have to grind this high spot as much as you can and then check the level one more time, or you can level with this high spot all your floor. It's really easy. You have to take concrete leveling tripods. This is really amazing tools. You see, just you can turn this central bolt up and or down when the line will be on the bottom. You see the line. This is the thickness what you have to pour self-leveling compound to make level with this high spot what we found with this shadow. And then you can set up right here. Easy, you see. For example, right here. Any places. Very easy. Here is already set up. So you see how much you have to level here. More than quarter, maybe 3/8. Here is the approximately quarter. Here is a little bit less than quarter. And leveling compound come to this place exactly, and it will be level. So don't forget to put primer before you start set up tripods, and then pure self-leveling compound, mix it and pure it, and if you have roller, roll it out, and your floor very nice and perfect. Also, I want to tell you about this laser. So why I like this laser too, because it's this transmitter very low, the same like this laser level. You see, it's really nice. Show the line, and you can see whole perimeter what you need, and it's very light, and I don't know how it's durable, but it's work with batteries, and price so cheap, only $100. For DIY, this is the best tools what they can find. This is a very useful, perfect tools what I just use for leveling. I would recommend you buy it if you're doing leveling, or you want to do it DIY by yourself in your house or apartment. Very useful. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.